Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make strong coffee with Caf-Lib and Chicory Beige edition. First thing you gotta do is you open up this Caf-Lib mix and you get a spoon and you put it into this mug right there. Then after that, pour in the water, and then you pour in the coffee, and then get some a little more water, and last but not least, you pour in the milk. And there you go, folks. Here is your strong coffee with Caf-Lib and Chicory Beige edition. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.